all fans of Ugandan music to show up on Friday. Milango tijja ground earlier mangunyo because tutandise setting up today. The stage will start okubeera eteekebwa okuteekayo bagiteekeyo, so by Wednesday stage ejja kubeera ready. Kitegeeza nti that's how ready we are. So tubeesunze mwenna, nze nga Spice Diana mbeesunze n'obuteerabira. Tulina ebyokuwangula bingi nnyo okuva mu Buganda Kombucha. Buli ayingira osanga abasooka bajja kufuna ebyokunywa.
Some clarification.
Simple clarification.
Okay.
Because of the events as radio before, we tried to look into the safety of every person at the event, and we've created different sections between two first aid areas, ordinary and movie sections of but for the first time ever, tukoze ekikolwa to tuyita vulnerable. So abantu abo si tubasosola naye tubayingize tubaagaliza abalema, abakazi b'embuto, omuntu yenna ng'alinamu obulemu oba alinamu ali disabled or something oba alinamu ekirwadde nga wa asthma wa mutima nga tayagala nnyo ayagalamu ka space, tubawokole area yaabwe nga ya layisi ya ordinary oba ya VIP naye nga tebali mu VIP, bali wamu kumpi ne VIP. So era bakozesa mulyango gwa VIP access ne wange ekyo lakini tekibeeranga ofu bivugenderera abantu baagala nnyo ssente. So tubakolede area eyo batuula ne balaba era ne bannamawulire nabo tubakolede kubanga ebiseera ebisinga babakuba nnyo ebimuve wano nange mubiri nja kubakola ebisaagala mu education. So tubakolede area eyamu ey'okufilminga where you can get good shots. Nsaagala ofunire ekintu naye nammwe mbasabira mu ebandisa omuntu akugamba nti tofilminga saawa eno oba towanikayo ekivulu kya muntu kuza atalemu ssente nnyingi nnyo ate naye mumanyi ebintu content atulula oli waba position agenda kyenda ku YouTube ogimusooka ssente abagenda zifuna okitegeera. So mbaneza abatukwatagane wamu waliwo area za video ne area z'ebifaananyi. So I think Thursday we shall publish that, and then press conference at Thursday we shall share it with you so buli omu amanye nti ne tags zammwe na buli omu tetwagala munnamawulire ate bamuganire ku mulyango, so ne gates gyemugenda okuyita tugenda giba communicating era. So wabeerewo easy access to the venue and easy filming of all the content that you want to film.
Thank you, Washington. Continue, Spice.
Okay, so obuteerabira mbadde nkyayogera ku byokuwangula bingi nze wali wendi wabawo okugaba kungi. So Buganda Kombucha egenda kuba nga ate buli ayingira basooka bajja kufuna ebyokunywa bya bwereere. Of course ne UPL nabyo tebikedde bingi nnyo. MTN nga bwe bagambye nti abasooka 10,000 there is discount. Ate era oba oyagala wangula ticket before the day right now genda ku TikTok yange funa akayimba ka Spice Diana oba tokayina ku TikTok downloading kola tunes nyiga *170*61# funa akayimba akakunyumira kafune kakole mu video otaginge Spice o hashtaginge MTN kola tunes ogenda wangula $10,000 owangula ticket ekuleta mu kivulu. So post nature tulina pitch ezituweereddwa okuva mu TVS ez'okuwangula bannange era pitch evuddeyo nazo zirina ziri wano ku Cricket Oval. Kitegeeza buli muntu anajja mu sheno munakusa okuwangula bodaboda paka yonna gye nnaaba ngenze nga 14 emukono 15 ejjinja wiikindi eddako Mityana Embarara n'Ebiweero yonna buli muntu ajja kubanga alina omukisa okuwangula pitch. So mukeereko tunyumirwe all my fans mbasubira let's make history tugulewo omwaka nga tuli basanyufu tugulewo n'abantu abalala. Njagala okwebaza abayimbi bonna abampeereddewo abanandiddeko show yange and everyone I chatted them. Thank you so much. See you on 13th January.
Thank you, Spice Diana.
Tiketi ezo tosobola zifera kyolina okukola kujja nga bukyali ogula etiketi ku Judicial Solutions ojje tunyumire wamu n'omuyimbi waffe ate asinga ekivulu kye kisoose mwaka mukimanyi ekigenda obaawo kigenda kuba kyakabi nnyo kubanga ffenna twetegese bulungi nnyo. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala.
Thank you, Mwamizibe Henry. Thank you, Mwamizibe Henry. Judicial Solutions. Let us hear from MTN.
Thank you very much. Good evening to you all. My name is Ayogedde Entekateeka. My face is not new to you all, and thanks to all the media team that is here. You've been with us on every journey, every concert we've sponsored. We are humbled and thanks so much. Thanks so much to our fellow sponsors, as we are here to make it happen for Spice Diana this Friday. As MTN Uganda, we are grateful and humbled to be on this journey again. It didn't stop last year, we are continuing as well in 2023. We are here to support our very own local artists, and that won't stop. And Spice Diana, it's been a journey, and we can't wait for Friday to make it happen. As on all any other concerts we've been part of, it's been great working with these artists. We've supported them in all we can through different things, but we haven't forgotten our customers, the fans, our customers and the artists' fans. We have ticket giveaways. We'll be with Spice Diana in the market tomorrow to reach out to her fans, to give out tickets to her fans, courtesy in Uganda. And also, not to mention, we will also start selling discounted tickets tomorrow in the market when we are with her. All discounted tickets, ordinary, VIP, 20K and 45,000. So the discount will be 15,000 and 45,000 for VIP. Also on the D-Day of the concert, the same will happen for the first 1,000 fans that will come for the show. Thank you.
Right from there, some Uganda. Is it Uganda? Let me have some Uganda from there.
Amanya gange nze Mavis Ayogedde Entekateeka okuva ku MTN Uganda. Tweyanziza nnyo media team, tutambudde nammwe era fesi yange simpya gye muli. Mbeebaza nnyo nti mutambudde naffe mu concert zonna zetusponsorinze. Mwebale nnyo, temujjangu okwo. Neyanza aba fellow sponsors ku team, Capital Bell, Kagwirawo ne Judy Color Solutions, mwebale nnyo. Nga MTN Uganda twavaayo ne tulangirira okuwagira abayimbi baffe, era omwaka guli emyezi 6 twakitambuza. Omwaka guno tutandise ne Spice Diana, era nga tekigenda kukoma ku ye, era ne mu guno omwaka tugenda kuba twongera n'abayimbi abalala, kubanga ekisinga obukulu ewaffe nga MTN Uganda, nga brand ya MTN Uganda, okuwagira abayimbi bannaffe, abayimbi baffe mu Uganda. Yensonga lwaki twatandika olugendo luno. Okwongerezaako nti ng'abayimbi babeera ne bafanzi baabwe, MTN Uganda tugamba nti wiiki eno enkya ne Ku-3 tugenda beera ne Spice Diana mu butale obw'enjawufu, nga tutambula naye okusobola okutuukirira abafaani be, nga abafaani abo bagenda kuba bafuna tickets. Nekisayogeddeko mu luzungu nti yataddeyo challenge ku TikTok nga twagala abawiina bana, buli wiina agenda kubavaawo n'emitwalo 10 ne tickets 5 okujja mu show. Tugenda tambula naye mu butale obw'enjawufu, kyekyenjawulo kye tutaddewo nti omuyimbi ono asobole okutuukirira abafanzi be, naye kennyini yabatuukirira kubanga kiba kyanjawufu eri omuwagizi nga faani. N'okwongerezaako nti mu butale era tujja kuba tutunda tickets ze ku discounted offer ku Momo, ey'emitwalo 2 egenda kuba ya 1.5, ey'emitwalo 5 egenda kuba ya 4.5. Ndowooza nabyo ebibadde byenjogedde mu luzungu.
Thank you.
Naye nga tweyanziza nnyo eri bannamawulire tutambudde nabo, tweyanziza.
Thank you, Ayogedde. Thank you so much. Let me hear from Capital FM. I think may I have someone from the Ukraine TBS and our media sponsor, Ayogedde. Yeah, I see you come and say something also. Okay, Capital FM.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is John Paul Gwanya, the Promotions and Events Manager at Capital Radio 2015 Limited. Just to bring it a bit closer, Capital Radio 2015 Limited houses 2, or at the moment 3 brands. But for Spice Diana concert, we chose to front two brands. That is Capital Radio and Beats FM. So I'm here in two capacities. That's on behalf of Beats and of course on behalf of Capital Radio. But as Capital, we would like to say thank you so much. Being that we are the official radio partner does not make me probably bend low to other media houses. So my first point, I would like to thank all the media houses that have really been together with us to push this from the word when we say go up to where we are. And until even the other days which are still coming. Because as we draw closer to the concert, there is a lot and more hype that has to be driven. So I want to call everyone, the media houses, the print media, the bloggers, the online sites, the TVs, radios, and everyone. Let's keep pushing until the last dot of the concert. I know we'll have some extras, so as Capital, we'll still also keep the energy flowing until the last drop. And the same applies to Beat FM. We'll also do the same. So we'll move with Spice Diana from Cricket Oval until the last dot of our extras. We've seen Spice Diana grow as a brand up to where we are. And as Capital Radio, you know, we associate with brands because we believe in the brand values. So with Spice Diana, we appreciate the team at Capital, sends their regards, and we are so glad to be a part of you to celebrate this journey. It has been a milestone. On all your shows we've been partners, but most importantly, 2023, we are so glad that we've seen you grow, we've been a part of your journey, and we're still part of your journey. And of course, we also want to appreciate you for supporting the brand. We are with you in Gulu. It was amazing, and we still wish to be with you for so many more years to come as Capital Radio. So on behalf of everyone, thank you so much. Let's look out to Capital. We'll be giving out a couple of tickets starting today until Friday. So keep listening to Capital, keep listening to Beat FM. We have a couple of tickets to give out on a daily basis. And with those few remarks, I'd like to say, let's call up everyone. Let's call the friends and families to come through on Fridays, 13th January at Cricket Oval. We wish you the best, and we look forward to have you on the D-Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Give a microphone to the next individual from TBS. Yeah, TBS is here from you.
Thank you. My name is Omar Godfrey. I work with the Ukraine TBS as a regional sales manager. I would like to thank everyone for being here. Spice Diana, thank you very much. As Ukraine TBS, we have so far got 500 tickets worth 10 million shillings, and on that we are ready to support Spice Diana. And these tickets are going to all other riders who are riding TBS motorcycles. And on that, we are still on the stage, and we are advertising whoever is willing to come and support our sister Spice Diana. We are ready to support you, and we are ready to be there. We are doing all what we can to be there and support you. Do not worry, we are there for you. As you ride, we are doing all what we can to be there for you. And people are going to be there to support you, and we wish you all the best. I know people are going to be there. TBS is ready to put each and everything and make the venue colorful for that day. So as you ride TBS, whoever is riding TBS motorcycle 125cc, the ticket is ready for you. We have bought all the tickets for our customers and already available. Madam Spice Diana, we are support you, and we are ready to be there for you to make the venue colorful for that day. I thank you, and I wish you all the best.
Will you tell us some Uganda? Give us some Uganda.
Okay. Mwebalenyo, manya gangenze umana Godfrey, nze mkozi wa TBS Ukraine banda, ndapishi. Kati mkono kuno ya Spice Diana tumaze kugula tickets bitano. Omuntu yena amanya aina TVS motorcycle tickets already weziri ate lwakutaano tugenda beerayo tumaze kwa support zona ziweereyo tugenda kola buli kimu oba omanyi kino oli mubuuzi wa boda tovuga TVS lwakutaano jangu ticket bweri ate yabwerere bebale nnyo.
We clap for him. And so thank you so much for trying to Uganda to go for your ticket vitano maybe ndio watu abavuga TVS banapenda yumba tuwe wajema walidrowa kwa sababu concert yako. Jana kulira bondango kwa Ayogedde TV. Yeye representative wa Ayogedde TV. Aliwa. Takuye mulango bulodi na yeye mwenje. Kandi kutwa hata akida na yeye akota kila usaimo. Sasa kwa basi hizi sasa bora bidi sirifanyina. Sasa ni kila.
Hajara na mukwaya erinyanze yali mutuma namwena mwita Spice Diana ensiyo nagitandika okubange muyiteetya Hajara na mukwaya wetandika okwogera ebinkwatako ne Spice Diana tuyinza okusula wano nesiri wano ku lwekyo ndi wano ku lwa Bukedde nze Simon omunene w'omu kibuga promotions officer kuva ku Bukedde ffe nga Bukedde ekikwatagana ne talenti ya Munnayuganda tetwawukana nakyo emyaka egisukka mu 10 tuzze tukikola ono omwana tukuze naye kuva eri kwonsangula mpaka kati kuki kusirira ejula wetunaava otuddeeyo bakayita bati mbeereeyo nazisika viringizo mpaka mbera Spice nsewulire awo twatandikira zezimu ku tune ezigenda okututwala 2023 njogeza mutima njatuza kigambo bakayita firingizo Spice Diana tukugamba nti ffe ku Bukedde Fama ku Bukedde TV twatandise n'ogwaffe Spice Diana gw'omulabi waffe tukwagala ogenda olala Hajara na mukwaya tuzze tugula naye tetusobola kumala nga muleka ku ssaawa eno wasinga okutwetaagira oyo tusinga okuba nga tumwetaagira nga Bukedde twongera bwongezi kugamba nti Hajara na mukwaya tetusobola kujjako maanyi gaffe ensi yonna yali yeebuuza nti Januari kinaasoboka nebabikolakola abalala amaanyi ga Bukedde bwe twasukumirwe tuti ensi yonna ekimanyi nti 13 Januari tuliwa cricket over sijja kusukka waawe